If you've been charged with a felony, you've lost your constitutional right to own a gun. My name is Anastasia. I'm a criminal defense attorney with Dummett Fraden, and I'm here to get your guns back. There are 2 ways I can help you get your guns back: expunging that felony or petitioning the court to restore your firearm rights. The easiest way is the expungement route. We expunge that felony off of your record. Then, you're eligible to possess a gun. Contact an attorney at Dummett Fraden so that we can review your criminal record and determine whether this felony is expungible or not. If this felony is not expungible, we move to the second option, petitioning the court to restore your firearm rights. There are 2 requirements to get your guns back. 1, your civil citizenship rights must have been restored for 20 years. And 2, this felony must be classified as a non-violent felony. Let's discuss the first one, civil restoration of your citizenship rights. After 20 years, this is usually automatic once you've finished your conditional probation or served your sentence. In other situations, the court may have to issue a certificate restoring your citizenship. Let's now discuss number 2, non-violent felony. What's considered non-violent under this statute is pretty ambiguous. For example, a charge with an assault as an element, or where you have to register on the sex offender list. Those are considered violent. However, certain drug offenses, even involving weapons, are considered non-violent. It's important to meet with an experienced attorney at Dummett Fraden so we can assess whether you're eligible for an expungement of a felony or if we need to petition a court to restore your gun rights. If you're looking to get your guns back, contact an experienced attorney at Dummett Fraden today.